Today is the first day children as young as 5 years old can get the COVID-19 shot, but the rollout was not without some bumps in the road. Our Jay Burr live from the state capitol tonight. Jay, where do we stand now with vaccine availability for children?
Well, Donna, as you mentioned, a lot of those logistical issues getting worked out. In fact, earlier in the day, there were only about 33 of those local health units that actually had their shipment sent to them. And as Kevin mentioned, that is now up to around 60. But Governor Hutchinson this evening calling on the Department of Health to expedite the process to get it out to other parts of the state. But as folks wait for the vaccine, one parent who's also a pediatrician, well, she says normal finally could be on the horizon. On Wednesday, Arkansas began shipping out COVID vaccines for kids ages 5 to 11 to local health units across the state. It was not readily available across the state initially, and Governor Asa Hutchinson was asking for patience.
We have a limited supply that will be out through the Department of Health and the local units, but it's not in 100% of those yet.
Health officials say they knew the day was coming, but could not do much ahead of time.
We knew all along the rollout and doses would be this week. We just, it couldn't start until the FDA authorized it.
Dr. Jessica Snowden at Children's Hospital said parents and staff have been anxiously awaiting vaccines for children to be rolled out, and now it has turned into excitement.
It feels like Christmas morning a little bit. It's really more like Christmas Eve, right, where you're waiting anxiously for what you know is coming.
Dr. Snowden said she has carried the burden of protecting her son from COVID for months and is awaiting the time where he can be fully protected from the virus. She said he is ready for normalcy again.
My son is excited that he can now eat in restaurants again. He's really, really excited about that.
She encourages people to talk with their pediatricians about the vaccine for kids because she feels this is the best way to get as close to before COVID times as there can be.
We can get them back to what normal childhood was supposed to be. And being able to protect this elementary age range is a key piece in that.
Now, Dr. Snowden mentioning that her son really looking forward to going back to Chuck E. Cheese. So, kid's a big fan of the pizza there. But actually, next week, Monday through Wednesday, local health units across the state will actually have extended hours. Normally, they close at 4:30. Next week, for those 3 days, they'll be closing at 6 p.m. Governor Hutchinson saying that he hopes this will accommodate those school-aged children, give them a little extra time after school hours to be able to go and get their vaccine if they do choose to do so. But for now, live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.